Hello everyone, here I am Professor Sheetal Bulgundi from the Department of Agronomy, KK College of Agriculture, Nashik. Welcome to the today's session of course number Agro 3610, that is Farming System and Sustainable Agriculture. In this course, second practical is preparation of cropping scheme for irrigated situations. Objects for these practicals are: first one, to study the efficient utilization of available resources, to maintain fertility of soil, to increase the income of the farm. Before seeing the practical, we will see some definitions. First is intensive cropping, process of growing number of crops on the same piece of land during a given period of time is called as intensive cropping. Then another term is crop rotation, the growing of different crops in succession on a piece of land to avoid exhausting the soil and to control weeds, pests and diseases. Then third definition is cropping intensity. It is the ratio of total cropped area to net cultivated area multiplied by 100. It is represented in percentage and given in formula: total cropped area which is in hectare divided by net cultivated area into 100. Then for understanding of practical, we will see some examples. First example is prepare cropping scheme under irrigated condition from available resources. And the conditions are given. First condition is farm near the city. Net area for cultivation is 9 hectare. Soil sandy loam soil and area is under farm structure is about 1 hectare. Then this is a cropping scheme for the year 2019-20. We have 9 hectare area in Kharif season. 2 hectare area is allocated for maize, 2 hectare for groundnut, 2 hectare for brinjal, 2 hectare for radish, and 1 hectare for birali. And in Rabi season, 2 hectare area is for potato, 2 hectare area for wheat, 2 hectare area for cabbage, 2 hectare area for cauliflower, 1 hectare area for pea. And in summer season, 2 hectare area for sesame, 2 hectare for moong, 2 hectare for chili, 2 hectare for watermelon, and 1 hectare for cucumber. As we see in first practical, that one leguminous crop should be in crop rotation for maintaining the soil fertility and productivity. In this, moong and pea are the leguminous crop in this. In above example, total cropped area, there are 3 rotations or 3 seasons. So total cropped area is about 27 hectare. Cropping intensity for this cropping scheme is 300%. I hope everyone should understand. Then another example is prepare cropping scheme for a farm near to dairy farm. Then calculate the cropping intensity from given information. In this example, assumptions are 10% area go under building and layout, that is 1 hectare area required. The farmer has all the required inputs for cropping. The farmer will grow 60% area of farm fodder, because we have to suggest this cropping scheme for the farm which is near to dairy farm. And net cultivated area, 1 hectare area we required for building farm building, therefore 10 minus 1, that is 9 hectare area we are having. Then rotational intensity for the above scheme is calculated. Then crop rotation, maize, barsim, sorghum is for 1 year, sorghum, lucerne for 1 year, napier, gawar, napier plus barsim, napier 1 year, paddy, wheat, moong 1 year, and bhendi, potato, cucurbit 1 year. Then this is a suggested cropping scheme for this example. Then total cropped area is about 26 hectare in this cropping scheme. As we earlier seen in first practical, that is 1 leguminous crop should be included. Therefore, lucerne and moong are the leguminous crop in this cropping scheme. In the above example, total cropped area is about 27 hectare and 1 hectare is for farm building. Cropping intensity for this scheme is 288.8%. Then rotational intensity, it is calculated with the help of following formula. Rotational intensity is equal to number of crops growing in rotation upon duration of the rotation into 100. Here is the example: maize, early potato, late potato, green gram. These 4 crops are continuously grown in rotation in 1 year, and paddy, early potato, wheat, black gram, that is 1 year. Therefore, formula is number of crops grown in rotation upon duration of rotation into 100, that is 400%. there are 8 crops, then duration is 2n into 100. The answer is 400%. Thank you for today.